Let's make this refreshing, healthy juice. This was very delicious and nicer than the store-bought one. If today is the first time here, hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena and welcome. We do cooking recipes here and anything food. If you are interested, please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. Thank you so much for your time. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So I have prepped my watermelon behind camera and this is how it looks. You can actually remove the seed if that is what you want, but I'm not going to do that. So I will just pour everything in my blender and then blend this. I did not add anything to it, only the watermelon. Okay, now I'll go ahead and strain it and then we proceed. Are you still with me? If yes, thank you so much for your time. I do appreciate it. I don't take it for granted. My returning subscribers, thank you for always watching my videos. And please, after watching this video, do not hesitate to share to others. Like the video, leave me a comment and I will be very happy. Thank you so much. Please do not hesitate to follow me on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. When making watermelon juice without ginger, oh, that is not juice. So I'm going to blend that and then add that to it. So I'll add it to the other ones that is left and then we proceed. Are you still with me? If yes, thank you so much and I do appreciate it. Okay, so we are still straining that. Now we are done with everything. I will just transfer everything to my bottle and then we are good to go. Add sugar if that is what you want, okay, but I am not going to add anything like that to it because it is so good already. And when you make it this way, it is very healthy. You can just add some lemon juice to it, but I'm not going to do that because I'll be giving some to my little girl. Okay, so I'm not going to add any lemon, but you can add it to it. Serve this chilled or enjoy it warm. You are good to go. Thank you so much for your time. And now our juice is ready. Just look at that. Look at that beautiful and vibrant color. I just love it. So I come your way next time. Always remember I love you and take good care of yourself. Eat healthy and also love yourself first. Do not forget to share to others and then leave me a comment. See you in the next video. I love you and thank you for watching fully.